Looking for precision and versatility in your woodworking projects? Today, we're showcasing the best jigsaws for woodworking that deliver clean, accurate cuts on various types of wood. These top picks are perfect for both straight and curved cuts, making them a must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Stick around to discover our favorites and check the description for links to these essential tools. Let's get cutting. Milwaukee 2737-20D Handle Jigsaw. The Milwaukee 2737-20D Handle Jigsaw is a high-performance cordless tool designed to deliver power, precision, and efficiency. Featuring a power-state brushless motor, it reaches up to 3,500 strokes per minute, enabling clean and controlled cuts in materials like hardwoods and metals. With RedLink Plus intelligence, it ensures optimal performance and overload protection by communicating between the tool, battery, and charger. The saw uses M18 red lithium battery technology, providing up to 105 linear feet of cutting on 3/4-inch laminated particle board per charge. Its tool-free blade change and bevel adjustment make it easy to use, while the integrated LED light and blower enhance visibility during cuts. Ideal for professionals, this jigsaw is versatile and efficient for various applications. Battery and charger are sold separately. Porter Cable PCC 650B Cordless Jigsaw. Searching for a versatile and powerful cordless jigsaw? The Porter Cable PCC 650B offers up to 2,500 strokes per minute with its variable speed trigger, making clean and precise cuts easy. With 3 orbital settings and a beveling shoe allowing cuts between 0 to 45 degrees, this tool excels in a wide range of cutting tasks. The integrated dust blower ensures clear visibility, and the tool-free blade release allows for quick blade changes. Its contoured, over-molded handle provides comfort during extended use. Part of the 20V Max system, it's compatible with other cordless tools in the lineup. Battery and charger sold separately. DeWalt DCS 331B Battery-Powered Jigsaw. The DeWalt DCS 331B Battery-Powered Jigsaw operates on a 20V Max battery, offering cordless convenience and versatility. Its all-metal, keyless blade change system and shoe bevel with detents at 0, 15, 30, and 45 degrees provide smooth operation for various cutting angles. The adjustable dust blower keeps cuts clear, while the variable speed trigger allows up to 3,000 strokes per minute for precise control. The anti-slip grip enhances comfort and control, and the jigsaw accepts T-shank blades for maximum holding power. A removable shoe cover protects materials from scratches. Battery and charger are sold separately, with a 3-year limited warranty included. Bosch JS470E Top Handle Jigsaw. Are you in need of a powerful jigsaw for woodworking and other tasks? The Bosch JS470E features a 7.0 amp motor with variable speeds, allowing smooth cutting of up to 5 7/8 inches on wood and 3/8 inches on steel. Its tool-less blade change system, low vibration design, and ergonomic top handle ensure accuracy and comfort. The ambidextrous lock-on button and sturdy die-cast foot enhance stability, while the onboard bevel wrench provides added precision. With its anti-splinter insert and T-shank blade, this jigsaw is a durable and reliable option for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Black Plus Decker Dedges 600C Corded Jigsaw. Last on our list is the Black Plus Decker Dedges 600C Corded Jigsaw, which features a 5-amp motor and a 3/4-inch orbital action blade, delivering powerful and precise cutting performance. It features curve control technology with 4 settings for customized curved cuts, making it versatile for various projects. The adjustable shoe allows for beveled cuts up to 45 degrees, while the variable speed motor delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute, cutting through wood, metal, and plastic effortlessly. A wire guard ensures a clear line of sight for accurate cuts, and the tool-free blade change system accommodates U and T-shank blades easily. Backed by a 2-year limited warranty, this jigsaw is ideal for both professional and DIY users. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect woodworking jigsaw. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.